In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate 90 degrees in Photopea quickly and easily using the free transform shortcut. This is a simple but very useful trick if you want to rotate an image, photo, logo, or any layer to a perfect right angle without guessing or doing a bunch of extra steps. Whether you want to turn something sideways, fix the orientation, or create a cleaner layout, this method will save you time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure the layer you want to rotate is selected in the Layers panel. This is important because the rotation will only apply to the active layer. If you accidentally have the wrong layer selected, the wrong object will rotate, so always double check that first. Once your layer is selected, use the free transform shortcut by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows or Command plus Option plus T on Mac. This will bring up the transform controls around your layer. You'll now see a bounding box with corner handles, and that means you're ready to rotate. Now, hold down the Shift key and move your cursor just outside one of the corner handle doors. When you do that, your cursor will change into a curved arrow, which tells you that rotation mode is active. From here, click and drag to rotate the layer. Holding Shift is the key part because it helps the rotation snap in fixed increments, making it much easier to line up exactly where you want. If your goal is a perfect 90 degrees or 270 degrees, keep dragging until the layer snaps into place. You can usually tell when it's aligned because the object will sit perfectly vertical or horizontal. If you go too far, don't worry. Just keep adjusting until it lands on the correct angle. This is especially useful when rotating images for social media graphics, thumbnails, design layouts, or scanned documents. Once the layer is rotated to the exact position you want, press Enter to confirm the change. That locks in the rotation and exits free transform mode. If you need to rotate something again, you can simply repeat the same shortcut and do it in seconds. One extra tip: if you're trying to make sure the rotation is absolutely clean, zoom in a little before confirming so you can see the alignment more clearly. And if you ever rotate the wrong direction, you can always undo with Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z and try again. So to recap, select your layer, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T or Command plus Option plus T. Hold Shift, drag to rotate, snap it to 90 degrees or 270 degrees and then press Enter to apply it. That's the fastest way to rotate 90 degrees in Photopea without any confusion. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Photopea tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.